This is a basic tutorial to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop. First select lasso tool. Create a selection around the hair. Click select and mask. Click the refined and brush tool. And click the area the edge of the hair. Select the decontaminate colors and make it 70%. Click OK. Now click the brush tool and remove the excess object. Click the adjustment layer and select gradient. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus G on your keyboard to create layer clipped. Set blending mode to overlay. Click Add Layer Style and select Blending Options. Now choose your setting that will fit to your project. And that's all. It's just a simple and basic tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.